Remove trailing Newline from the elements of a string list. I have to take a large list of words in the form, and then using the strip function, turn it into. I thought that what I had written would work, but I keep getting an error saying a list object has no attribute strip. Here is the code that I tried.
You can either use a list comprehension, or alternatively use map. In Python 2, map directly returned a list, so you didn't need the call to list. In Python 3, the list comprehension is more concise and generally considered more idiomatic.
List comprehension? X.strip for X and LST.
You can use lists comprehensions or the map function.
This can be done using list comprehensions as defined in PEP 202.
All other answers, and mainly about list comprehension, are great. But just to explain your error. A is a member of your list, not an index. What you could write is this. Another important comment, you can create an empty list this way. But this is not so useful, as .append stuff to your list. In your case, it's not useful to create a list with default values, as you'll build it item per item when appending stripped strings. So your code should be like. But for sure, the best one is this one, as this is exactly the same thing. In case you have something more complicated than just a dot strip, put this in a function, and do the same. That's the most readable way to work with lists.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.